Wait, don't scroll past this, because what I'm about to say sounds unbelievable, but it's true. One small nut, literally a single nut, has been quietly studied for its potential to support prostate health, and almost no one is talking about it. Not doctors, not influencers, not mainstream media. It's the kind of secret that slips past most men until it's too late, and that's exactly why you need to hear this now. If you're between 22 and 44, this affects you more than you think, because prostate changes don't just happen overnight. They build quietly, silently, over years, often before any symptom appears. And by the time most guys notice something is off, it's already progressed further than they realize. Most men assume prostate enlargement is an older man problem, something to worry about in your 50s, 60s, or 70s. That assumption is comfortable, but dangerously misleading. Studies show that subtle hormonal changes, inflammation, and oxidative stress can begin decades earlier. This means your choices today, what you eat, how you sleep, even the snacks you pick, could determine how your prostate behaves in the years ahead. And that's where the tension begins. Men are trained to optimize the visible: muscle, money, performance, social status. But internal health, the stuff you can't see, it often gets ignored until it demands attention in a way that can't be ignored. Prostate health is invisible until, suddenly, it's not. The prostate might be small, but its impact is, massive. Sleep, energy, bathroom habits, focus, confidence, intimacy. When it's healthy, you don't really think about it, but when it isn't, it just dominates your daily life in ways you, honestly, never imagined. And, you know the scariest part? Most men believe problems will announce themselves early, but they rarely do. This is where the story shifts. Because buried in long-term nutritional research and population studies, one specific nut just keeps appearing in conversations about prostate support. Not a supplement, not a pill, not a miracle powder. A simple, everyday nut that you've probably walked past, like, hundreds of times without a second thought. Before I tell you which one, let's be clear. This is not a cure, it's not a one nut, and your prostate is perfect story. The human body doesn't work like that. What this is about is support, risk reduction, and playing the long game, preparing for the future in ways most men overlook. And that's what makes it powerful. Prostate enlargement is, linked to chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and hormonal shifts that happen over time. Especially, how testosterone converts into other hormones in the body. These changes don't just show up overnight, they accumulate slowly, and are influenced by your diet, lifestyle, sleep, stress, and, honestly, all those small daily habits. Most people don't really notice any of this until symptoms finally appear. Here's where men get it wrong. They wait for a dramatic problem before making a dramatic change. But, biology rewards consistency, not intensity. Small inputs repeated daily are way more effective than those big sporadic interventions. So, what does one nut have to do with this? Well, certain nuts are rich in zinc, healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support hormone balance and help reduce inflammation. Zinc, in particular, is highly concentrated in the prostate. And yet low zinc levels have actually been linked to increased vulnerability to stress and potential enlargement over time. So, researchers noticed some really interesting patterns. Certain populations had much lower rates of prostate issues, while others, with different diets, actually faced a higher risk. The key difference, it turns out, often came down to these consistent, simple dietary habits, like regularly including zinc-rich nuts and seeds in their meals. The nut we're talking about here is pumpkin seeds, or pepitas. I know, technically they're a seed, but nutritionally, they really function just like a nut. They're packed with zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and plant sterols, all of which have actually been studied for their role in supporting urinary and prostate function. And, again, let's just repeat this for clarity. We're talking about support, not a cure. It's a small advantage, sure, but it's the kind that can really add up over the years if you stick with it consistently. Now, here's the open loop most videos fail to mention. If a tiny, inexpensive everyday snack can support hormone balance, reduce inflammatory stress, and help maintain normal prostate size over decades, why wouldn't you integrate it into your daily routine now? Think about habit formation. You don't overhaul your health in one dramatic moment. You snack, you eat, you repeat. Those small repetitions, day in and day out, quietly shape your future health. And that's the power and frustration of human biology. It rewards consistency and punishes neglect. Picture this: two men, both 28. So, man A eats whatever's convenient: chips, candy, fast food. He figures he's fine because honestly, he feels healthy right now. Now, man B, same age, same routine, but he swaps one snack per day for a handful of pumpkin seeds. He doesn't obsess about it. He's not out there buying powders or supplements or anything fancy, just, one small change. Fast forward 10 years. Man A has more frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom, his sleep is disrupted, his energy is lower, and his stress is, well, higher. So, man B, well, he's got less inflammation, better hormonal support, and honestly, fewer disruptions in his life. He doesn't feel invincible or anything, but he's definitely significantly ahead, and the best part is, he didn't have to try hard. Here's the lesson, and it's a big one. Your body actually rewards those tiny, consistent actions way more than those massive, sporadic efforts. One nut a day isn't exactly glamorous. It's not flashy at all. But, it quietly stacks up advantages over time. And that's exactly why the most successful men, those who live longer, sleep better, and feel more confident, well, they rarely rely on dramatic interventions. Instead, they just stick to consistency. Now let's add a twist most men never consider. It's not just about one nut, it's about how your body integrates small inputs over time. Think about it like compounding interest in your bank account. Deposit $1 consistently every day, and over decades you're wealthy. Ignore it, and you start behind. One nut might not seem like much today, but repeated daily, it contributes to a much healthier system tomorrow. And here's where most content falls flat. They throw out facts, studies, or charts, but they forget storytelling, because humans remember stories, not data. So let's break it down. Picture your prostate like a small engine inside your body. Most engines degrade slowly. You never notice until suddenly, performance drops, noise increases, and things start breaking. Now imagine you fuel that engine with slightly better oil every day. Just a teaspoon of better fuel. Over time, the engine runs smoother, lasts longer, and avoids catastrophic breakdowns. That's what this nut does at the cellular level. But let's make it more dramatic, because this is a point most men don't hear. If you wait until symptoms appear, you're already reacting. Your body is behind. Medications, procedures, stress, interrupted sleep. These aren't small consequences. And the funny part? The men who wait often think they're being tough. The reality? They're being reactive. And, reactive rarely beats proactive when it comes to internal health. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Genetics. Yes, genetics play a role. But they're only part of the story. Lifestyle matters. Diet matters. Habits matter. Tiny daily actions, like eating one nut or seed with high zinc content, don't override genetics, but they give your body an advantage. And in biology, advantage compounds. It stacks quietly over decades, often in ways you won't notice until you do. Here's another layer most men ignore. Prostate health is deeply connected to hormone balance. Hormones affect everything: energy, sleep, focus, even mood. When hormones start shifting subtly, the prostate responds. Chronic low-grade inflammation can exacerbate this, but small interventions, diet, micronutrients, lifestyle, can modulate these responses. You're not fighting destiny, you're nudging it in your favor, quietly, one habit at a time. Let's add urgency. Every day you scroll past this information is a day your prostate quietly accumulates wear and tear. No alarm, no headline. Just silent changes. By the time symptoms emerge, you're no longer in control, you're reacting. That's why knowledge, early action, and small, consistent habits matter more than dramatic interventions later. And let's be brutally honest. Most men ignore this. They assume because they feel fine, everything is fine, but science says otherwise. Subtle changes accumulate. Your body whispers before it shouts. And, the ones who listen early, who act consistently, they build these invisible advantages that pay off in ways most people never even notice until, honestly, it's too late. So, what's the takeaway here? One nut. One small daily habit. It's not glamorous, not flashy, but, when you repeat it consistently, it quietly supports your prostate, your hormones, and your overall well-being. And, yeah, when you combine that with other healthy habits like sleep, stress management, movement, the compounding effect is real. Let me leave you with this thought. Small, boring choices today beat dramatic panic later. Awareness without overreaction, action without obsession. That's how real advantages are built. And the nut, it's just the starting point. A simple, powerful, overlooked habit that gives your body the support it quietly craves. Here's the final layer most men never hear. Health isn't about extremes. It's not about crazy workouts, supplements, or hacks. It's about compounding small, smart habits every day. The ones who build real advantage aren't the ones who wait for the emergency. They're the ones who quietly stack small wins every single day. And the nut? It's the first domino. Once it falls, others follow. Better diet choices, better sleep, less inflammation, more energy, more focus. And here's the question you need to ask yourself. If you ignore this, do you really think future you will thank you, or will he regret it quietly, years from now, when small issues become unavoidable disruptions? If you've watched this far, you already care more than most men. That alone puts you ahead of the curve. Now take action. Pick one small habit today. One nut, one step, one decision. Stack it daily. Watch how it compounds silently, quietly, powerfully. If this made you rethink even slightly, don't just scroll. Hit like. Share it with someone who assumes health is only for later. Comment below. Honestly, was this your first time thinking about prostate health, or is this information finally making sense? Because sometimes the smallest choices start the biggest conversations.